Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how basically you can generate Microsoft Word documents inside your Node.js application. So you will be able to highlight the text, guys. You will be able to add text, and also there is also hyperlinks as well. You can even want to bold, underline your text here. Alignment of text is also there. You can center your text, align the text to the right, left, all that stuff. And you can see bold text is also there. You can see that basically, and basically you can embed images as well. So you can see that all these things we will show you in this tutorial step by step using a library called as office lib generation. This is basically the library that we will use here. And let's get started by building this application, guys. So this is basically that we will be building here. So let's start. So the dependency, guys, which we will be using for this tutorial will be office generation. So if you just go to npmjs.com, this is basically the new dependency which is released inside Node.js as a package, office gen. So if you just type that, the very first link which comes here, you need to go to this, and it offers you to generate Microsoft documents, Word documents. It also offers Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint, but in this specific tutorial, we will talk about how to generate Word documents. You can see 10,000 weekly downloads are there. So it has a lot of good documentation. So I've written a complete blog post on my tutorial website, guys. Step-by-step instruction is given. So if you go to the description of this video, you can get all the source code. So now let's get started by building this application, guys. So the very first thing you need to do is that you need to create a brand new project of Node.js, and simply you need to install this dependency. So we will simply say here npm I OFFICEGEN OfficeGen, and alongside that, guys, we also need to install this library Docx Docx. So we need to install these two dependencies, guys. So simply install it by the npm I command. Now what we need to do is that, guys, how to generate this this Microsoft Word document. We need to first of all import the dependency OfficeGen, and we just need to require it. So just require it at the very top here, guys, and after that, guys, we just need to import the file system module. So we just need to import the file system module in order to save the this Word document file. And here, guys, we will initialize a new paragraph by the help of this method. We also need the docs package to interact directly with the Word document. So just require this docs package, and with the help of this docs package, guys, we can embed a paragraph. We can basically say create p. So this will invoke, it will create a new paragraph, and now to add the text we will call the add text method. So here this is a simple paragraph. So this will get added inside your Microsoft Word document. So now to basically save this file, guys, it's very simple how you do that. Now basically to save this Word document file, we have a method. First of all, we need to make use of this file system module here. So we just need to say here const out, and then we need to say here fs, and then we need to say that create write stream, and here we will be giving a name to the file, guys, which will be, let's suppose, result.docx, and then we simply need to say that docx, and basically this library contains a method which is generate. So we will simply pass the out reference. So now if you refresh this application, guys, you will see in the left hand side a result. We need to first of all say nodemon index.js. So what it will do, it is saying that docs.createP is not a function. So I think, guys, we are, oh sorry, here we just need to say here OfficeGen. Instead of this docs package, we need to say OfficeGen, and here we need to pass the reference which is docs here. You can see that, guys. Basically here we need to pass the reference docs. That's all. This is a docs package, and now if you basically do that. If you check the left hand side, you will see result.docx file will be created. And if you open this file inside your Microsoft Word, basically this is a simple paragraph. You will see that. So this paragraph get added and we are able to see that. So now I will be showing you guys how to add multiple paragraphs inside your file. So this is really simple. We will again call a new line, which is add text. So we will say this is second paragraph. So what it will do, guys, it will now add two paragraphs. So again, result docs will be created. So if you open this, so you will see this is a simple paragraph. This is a second paragraph. So no space is there, guys. You will see no spacing is there. It is right here, one after the other. So now basically if you want to create some space, what you can do is that you can basically call a method which is able to create some page line break. So now to do that, it's very simple. We basically have yeah uh, if you want this line to be in a separate page, so what you can use, basically this supports a method which is put page break. This is basically the method, guys, which will automatically split this will be on the first page, this will be on the second page. So now if I show you guys what happens, again it generated this file. So again if I open that, I think we need to reload this application. So if you reload this application, but you will see that, guys, okay, you can see that it contains the second page here. You will see that the page has been contained. You can see, but the paragraphs are not splitted. So how we can do that? It's very simple. I think what we are missing here, we need to create a brand new paragraph here. So this need not have to do like this. So after we do that, we just need to say const paragraph 2, and then we need to create another paragraph here, and here we need to basically add the text here inside the second paragraph. So here we will say this is second paragraph. So now, guys, what it will do is that basically if you run this application, automatically this will run. So our result dot, so this is the first paragraph that you see right here, guys, and this is the second paragraph on the second page. So in this case, guys, you can create multiple pages inside your Word document. So now let's suppose I want to add a image. So which is quite a good scenario if you want to add images inside your Word document. So how you can do that? Let's suppose I want to add this image that you see right here. It's a JPG image. You can take PNG, JPG image accordingly. So if I want to add this image, so what I will do is that if I go to my code here, so I will simply call a method, guys, to add images. So let's suppose I put another page break, which is put add page break, and then we will simply call a method, guys, which is basically again we will create a method, oh sorry, paragraph. So p3 we will call that, and we will say that create paragraph. And after that, guys, we here inside this paragraph we will add the image by calling add image method. So here you need to pass the address, so 2.jpg. So what you can see inside these three lines of code, first we have put the page break, then we have put a new paragraph, and inside this we are embedding this image. So now if you reload this application, guys, what will happen? So just reload this. So now what will happen, guys, it will now create this file, and this is the first page, second page. Let me just see. Let me change the file name to result23. So now what will happen, guys, it will create another image, result23, you will see that. And if I open this now, you will see this is first page, second page, and this is the third page, which is containing the image, guys. You can see that the image is successfully placed here inside the Word document. So it is quietly placed here. And now guys, if you want to do formatting with the text here, if you want a to highlight something on the text, you can easily do that. Basically, let's suppose you want to pass some options here, so you can pass some options. Likewise, bold, you can bold the text, and you can underline as well. So these are the two options which are supported inside this add text method. So if you reload this application once again, and if you try to basically open this, so what will happen guys, you will see that basically, let me just refresh this application and once again run this. So now you can see that guys, it has changed to bold text and paragraph is also there. So in this way guys, you can just say, it is so frustrating to see that window. You can see that. And you can even have color highlighting as well guys, if you want to color highlighting. So what you can pass, we can create a new paragraph here, like here. Let me show you. Basically, we created a new paragraph here. Let me paste this code here. All this code you can find in the description of the video. And basically, guys, you will see that this is a simple. And here you can pass a color property. So here you can pass hexadecimal code here. And also you can pass background color with the back property. So now this will be highlighted with the background color here. And if I reload this application, so what you will see, basically it will now have a background color as well. So if you open this inside your, let me change the file name. Sometimes it takes 243. So now it will create new file. So you can see that it has basically a background color as well, which is a blue color that you can see here. And it is highlighted. So highlighting is also there guys. I have shown you how to embed images. Color highlighting is also there. And this is all about this library. So definitely how we can simply generate Word document inside Office generation library. This is basically the library inside Node.js. All the source code is given in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching this.